as many as they are. There was one I was done for the whole body, and it has many plates. All these are scans, all these. If you look very clearly, this is for the whole body. These are different parts of the body. I have undergone so many X-rays and scans.
Gonia no iha na yone yake.
Gonia no iha hai. All these are medicines which I have used. I wanted to pour them down so that there is somebody very hopeless there who took only one tablet and tried to complain. All those are the medicines which I have taken for many. Yeah. Yeah, they are all types of medicine. These are the kind of recitators which I was using, and they were failing. We were buying and failing. You go now insert your mouth here, then you try to give yourself some air.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, all of them. These are the eye drops. I have used as many of them. Kuna za nerves, kuna za kwenda choo. There are many of them. Kuna za migraine, kuna za nerves and muscles. I have used so many. This one used to make me to go well, to remove stool well. All these. These are for the nini. All this. Yeah. Yeah.
Guy.
There are so many because even I never gathered them all. Yeah, there are many of them. Yeah. These are now the prescription home and using. So I haven't even counted for some of the years. Yeah.
Mikate 5, samaki 2, hesabu ngumu kwa wanafunzi wake Bwana Yesu iliwalemea. Bwana Yesu alirahisisha, akawalisha. Nguvu za muujiza zinafanya kazi, Bwana wawe